Welcome to Princess Cay. Get the know before you go tips right here today.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey Cruise. So today we're in Princess Cay.
With a broken fingernail.
And so what you got to do is get on a tender. This is a tender port. So we're going to ride this little boat that you see me on right here. Right next to the big old ship right there. So it's about a 15-minute ride from what I remember to get over to Princess Cay.
Princess Cay is a 40-acre private cruise port located on the southern tip of the Eleuthera Islands in the Bahamas. It is used by Princess Cruise Lines and Carnival Cruise Lines. Since there's no dock there, you'll be taking that tender boat over there, a 15 to 20 minute ride. And as you heard earlier in this video, there are times when if you are wheelchair bound, you may not be able to go if the water is too rough. So be advised of that. You won't find any fancy water slides here at Princess Cay, but for water activities, you'll have some great snorkeling, some kayak rentals, paddleboard rentals, and of course those big old three-wheeled bicycles on the water too. If you're looking for a relaxing beach day, Princess Cay is the right choice for you. As you can see, there are some rather steep ramps here to get on and off the tender. So those in wheelchairs will need assistance, likely to get up and down these ramps. Watch for the employee if you have an excursion, and they'll be the ones that get you there. Be sure to notice when the last tender leaves so that you don't miss it to get back to the ship. Here we're walking to the north side of the island, which is the largest side. The south side is much smaller and is not accessible for anybody in wheelchairs, scooters. There are lockers for rent here, starting at $10 a day. This is just to the right as you get off the tender, and you'll also find some restrooms here. Continuing on to your right, you're going to run into the craft market.
Okay, so we're going to go over here and see the craft center. So this is right by the bathrooms. So the bathrooms are right here. They do have attendants. They like to be tipped. You don't have to, but they do like to be tipped. And so here is the craft market. And it is through that gate there, but they're not open right now. Okay, so your tram station, that's if you've rented a bungalow, you'll go over there to the tram station.
The Serenity Beach, the arrow you see pointing to the right, that's heading to the south side, the one that's inaccessible to anyone unless they can walk. Here on the north side, you'll find these wheelchairs that are made to get you out to the beach, and they're free to use, first come, first serve. There's an information desk right there in front of us. And as you see, there's a lot of pavers here, all throughout Princess Cay, so that it is accessible if you get your wheelchair over here or your scooter. That wooden structure you see to the left, that's where you'll go to get back on the ship. And of course we got plenty of souvenir stores here for you too. The official cruise line sponsored souvenir shops will accept credit cards. However, the smaller ones, the local Bahamian markets, will only accept cash. They do a great job here of keeping sand off of the pavers, making it easier to walk or roll your wheelchair in. Princess Cay will have some live music playing there. Plenty of shops for you to find that perfect souvenir in. And there are bars also, where if you're with Princess, your medallion will allow you to get the drinks. If you have the drink package, they'll go against your drink package. But with Carnival, you'll have to use your ship card and your drink package will not work on Princess Cay. Now there's plenty of beach chairs out here at Princess Cay. I don't think you're going to run out of chairs. I've never seen any time where we could not find a chair in the shade or in the sun, whichever one we wanted. And there's plenty of restrooms available that are accessible as well. I also found that there are no ATMs on the island to get cash, so you'll need to bring that with you off the ship. If you want to get a clamshell, you can rent those here on the beach. You can also rent bungalows that are just a little farther north from where we're walking to now. They do not, however, have the great pristine beach. So if you rent a bungalow, you're still going to want to walk back down to the beach if you like it. And here's one of your outdoor showers. There is only one freshwater pool here, and it's for the little kids here at Pelican's Perch. We have a full-length video of just Pelican's Perch if you have small children and would like to see what it's about. We also have a full-length walking tour of the entire Princess Cay, and you can check that out also for more details of this island. And here's the little shop where you can rent all those fun water toys that you've been looking for. And right here in front of the rental building, you can see a bunch of those clamshells that are available for rent. It's a very relaxing atmosphere here. Another restroom ahead, right here on the right. And believe it or not, they've actually got a place for you to go smoke at. Up ahead here is the food pavilion. Lots of picnic tables and shade for you to eat your lunch at. And directly in front of you is where you're going to get in lines to get your food. And we're going to show you that here in just a minute. This is called the North Grill. The North Grill here is where you're going to get your free buffet lunch here on Princess Cay. It's open from 11:30 till 1 o'clock. And there's another one over on the south side also. There will be 4 lines here for you to get in, so they can get as many people going through there as possible, as quickly as possible. Oh look, there's Robin from Sea Lake Journeys now. And out there is the Sun Princess. The staff here is very friendly, and the food looks pretty doggone good. Let's go see what they got. Go ahead and grab you a plate and see what you would put on there. Maybe some of that potato salad. Oh, how about some broccoli? Or maybe just make a regular salad. What else they got up here? Well, they got some cheese and some buns. Why? Because they got hamburgers up here. Okay. Yeah. Are you getting hungry yet? There's some more of that friendly crew right there. All right, looks like we got some grilled chicken up here as well. Got some hot dogs, some sausages. I think you got plenty here to eat. Here's all the fixings for your burger or your hot dog or your chicken sandwich. Princess Cay is a great private island if you want to go get away from it all and just relax. Go play in a soft, white, powdery, sandy beach, do a little snorkeling, maybe ride a paddleboard, hang out in your clamshell or your cabana. But alas, the day will be over and you'll have to go get in this line right here to get back on the tender to head back to your ship. We hope you've had a great time here at Princess Cay like we have. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll get right back to you. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.